How to open a Wells Fargo bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Wells Fargo. So to do that, first of all, go to the Wells Fargo website, which is wellsfargo.com. After that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the get started option right over here. After that, you'll have to select which type of account you'd like to open. So it can be a personal account or a business account, and it'll also show you the list of the popular accounts over here. If you find you can simply tap on it, but for now we'll simply go to personal, and then for now I'll simply choose an everyday checking account. There you can see the descriptions of the account. Once you tap on the option open now, you'll have to fill out details such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and your zip code. After that, once you tap on the option continue, you will need to verify your identity. So you'll need your social security number, your date of birth, and your government issued ID to do this. So tap on the option continue. After that, once you've done that, you'll have to fund your account if it is required. So to do that, you'll have to either transfer funds from an existing Wells Fargo account, or you can also add your debit card or a bank account. Now once you've done all of those, you'll have to review and agree their terms and conditions. So once you tap on the option submit, you'll have successfully opened an account on Wells Fargo. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.